Achieving a white skin tone without blemishes, stretch mark, green vein, or dark knuckles is very possible, especially when you know the right product to buy, the right routine to use your product, and the right product to use alongside your whitening product to avoid all these skin issues. And that is why today I've come to guide you step by step on the right product to use to achieve a beautiful unified white skin tone, the other products you're supposed to use alongside, and your right routine to follow for that beautiful skin. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Sandra AGK, your skincare bestie and coach. If you've not subscribed, please hit that subscription button now. Let's get right into it. Achieving a white skin tone, the first thing to do is to buy a product that contains the right ingredient in the right proportion to give you that beautiful white skin tone. So I'm going to be showing you two body lotions. This is the first one. I always post this for those that have tough skin. And this also is a whitening product. This is E45, the gold, and this is Active Caviar. This is Active Caviar Glutathione Injection 24K gold. This is going to bleach your skin. If you have a tough skin, you've used all whitening products and they are not working, and you're looking for that whitening product that will work, auntie, go and buy this. But the thing is that in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. You don't just buy this and use it. You will definitely come back to complain. But if you're going to follow the steps I'm going to be giving you in this particular video, I promise you, people will always come back to ask you what you're using on your skin. So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'm going to be guiding you, not just on the product to use, but the right step on how to use it for that beautiful skin. So let's assume you have a very tough skin. Your skin know they collect cream. Like, your skin is very tough. Whatever you use on it, it will never lighten up. This is going to lighten up your skin. And if you have a very sensitive skin, but you genuinely want to lighten your skin, you don't like your skin shade, you want to achieve extra one shade or two with consistency, this is going to help you. This is E45, the gold, and this is Active Caviar, the glutathione injection. I'm going to be leaving the pictures on the screen. So what will happen? The first thing to do, because you want to lighten or whiten your skin, you have to get that active whitening product, this or this. You can see the picture on the screen. When you get this body lotion, please use your whitening body lotions only at night. Use your whitening body lotions only at night for the straight 3 weeks of buying the lotion. After that 3 weeks, start using this body lotion 2 times or 3 times in a week, and only at night. I know you're going to be asking, which soap will I now use? Which other lotion will I now be using when I'm not using it? Chill, because that is why I'm here to help you. So when you buy this lotion and you're using it only at night, all the benefits you're supposed to get in order to lighten your skin will start working, and they work best at night, because then you're not exposing your skin to sun, and it is going to limit damage. You're not going to have sun damage as a result of sun exposure. Because you're going to be using whitening body lotions, you need a bathing soap that contain whitening ingredients but also treatment ingredients in it. So I'll be recommending either this Bravia with snail's slime extract or this Alien White. This is an exfoliating soap. This one contains nail extract that helps with stretch mark. So for those of you that is prone to stretch mark, maybe you don't have it, but you notice that each time you try to lighten up your skin or whiten up your skin, you always notice stretch mark. This soap is going to help prevent that stretch mark from coming out. This soap, I'm going to be leaving the picture of all these products on the screen. This soap is very good. It is very silky, like it has this milk feeling on the skin. As you can see, it smells really nice. When you use this soap to bathe, as you're using this soap, as you're using this lotion, you're not going to have stretch mark. You're not going to have stretch mark. And this one is an exfoliating soap, but very gentle exfoliator. And it has this milky feeling on the skin as well. And it smells really good. So any of these two soaps, this one or this one, will do with this body lotion. Use your soap morning and night. Those days that you're not going to be using your whitening body lotions, I'm going to be showing you a body lotion to use depending on your skin type. If you have oil skin or if you have dry skin, Here are body lotions you should use. If you know you have dry skin, your skin is always feeling wrinkled, cracked, ashy, your skin is looking dry, and you want to lighten your skin, please go and get this. Use this as your daily moisturizer. Use it in the morning and those nights that you're not using your whitening body lotion. This is going to not only nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, plump your skin, and give you that beautiful, soft, and smooth skin. And you know one good thing? Because you're using this during the day and you're using this at night, this is going to keep your skin hydrated, because whitening products tends to dry out the skin. So please, if you're using your whitening body lotion and you know you have a dry skin, you need this E45 moisturizing body lotion. It is going to nourish your skin. Everything I'm showing you in this particular video is something I've used on my clients, tested and trusted, and it is working. Feedbacks are always 100 over 100. So if you have a dry skin, sister, get this lotion with your whitening body lotion. But if you know you have oil skin, your skin is always feeling greasy, even when you don't have any lotion on your body. When you look at your skin, it is always feeling as if you have oil on your skin. You cannot leave your skin without applying a hydrating product, so you need this. This is a brightening body lotion, Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance for brightening and glowing skin. You see this lotion, you can do your findings. On a normal day, this lotion is meant to brighten your skin, to give you that pronounced, beautiful, bright skin tone. But when you're not using a whitening product, because you cannot use your whitening product in the morning, and you have sensitive skin or you have oil skin, this is what you're supposed to be using in the morning. This Vaseline Gluta-Hya, use it in the morning and use it those nights that you're not using your whitening body lotion. Use this consistently. Do you see these things I'm showing you in this video? If you consistently do them, I'm giving you only 6 to 8 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks. If you consistently do them, you will come back to give your feedback. I've used it. It is tested and trusted. So when you apply your body lotion, and you need a body oil because you need your skin to glow. That is the truth. It is one thing to have a hydrated skin, and it is another thing to have that hydrated skin glowing. It is another thing to have that your white skin glowing, looking more attractive. Your skin can be white and not look attractive. So if you want that skin that look not only white, glowing, hydrated, and giving exactly what you want it to give, you need a body oil. So because I don't want to give you something that is expensive, I'll be recommending this Dr. Teal's body oil. This Dr. Teal's body oil, it is very gentle on the skin. It doesn't irritate the skin. It is very hydrating. It evaporates fast into the skin. It doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. It doesn't leave your skin feeling oil. So anybody can use it. If you have a dry skin and you're using this, you can use this as well. If you have an oil skin and you're using this, you can also use this. It is very gentle, mild, and hydrating on the skin. So if you know you want to achieve that beautiful white skin, you need more than just a whitening cream. You need more than just a whitening cream. You cannot be using whitening cream morning and night. It is going to damage your skin. You whiten your skin with sense. That is why you see some people, you're using the same product with them, but their skin are okay. They don't have knuckles, they don't have stretch marks, they don't have green veins, but you have all these problems, and you keep wondering what exactly is going on. The problem is on the application, how you use this product, your routine. And that is why I want you to apply everything you see me explain in this video. I am going to run it through once more for those that don't get it. For those at the back seats. If you know you have sensitive skin, but you still want to whiten your skin, use this E45. If you know you have tough skin, cream hardly work on your skin, go and get this Active Caviar, this gold bottle, this particular one. You can also use the black bottle if you want, but you see this one, no matter how stubborn your skin is, this one must work on your skin. So either this or this, depending on your skin type or what you want to achieve. Then if you know you have dry skin, you get this moisturizer. If you know you have oil skin, you get this or this other moisturizer. This or this is going to give you that perfect, beautiful skin, because you need your skin to be moisturized. If you're using whitening cream and you're not using a moisturizer, you're not using a hydrating product, your skin will spoil. Your skin will not give. Your skin will just be looking dirty. That's the truth. All these people you see that bleach their skin and their skin is still intact and giving, go and ask questions. They are using moisturizer. They are not using your whitening product morning and night. That is why you see their skin the way it is. So you need either this or this, depending on your skin type. And for soap, I said you can use this because of stretch mark. If you know you're prone to stretch mark, use this. Or you can use this particular one, this Alien Whites. I'm going to be leaving the picture on the screen for those of you that want it, so you can always find it around you and buy. And I said, if you want to glow your skin, if you want your skin to glow, that you should buy this, because this is very affordable compared to some other oil. You can as well get Neutrogena body oil. You can get Vino body oil. You can get, there are so many of them in the market that are good oil. I'm talking about moisturizing oil. I'm not talking about lightening oil. The only lightening product you need in your routine is your lightening body lotion. Please endeavor to scrub your skin. If you don't have a body scrub, get a body scrub. I didn't post it here because I know it is not for everybody. If you have a sensitive skin, you can get an exfoliating body lotion. If you have normal skin, you can just buy your normal body scrub in the market. Use it to scrub your skin once or twice in a week. You will come back and thank me. I'm not capping. You see, whatever I'm telling you here is something I've tested and it is trusted. Please note, if you already have a skin issue, if you're already battling stretch mark, you're already battling knuckles, you're already battling blemishes on your skin, you're already battling skin issues, skin problem, this thing that I just mentioned now is not for you. Whitening products is not for those that have existing skin problem. You have to first and foremost tackle your skin problem, tackle your skin issues, treat your skin, heal your skin before you can then go on to lighten your skin. Your skin can never look good no matter how hard you try when you already have a skin problem. That is why, as someone that is battling knuckles, no matter how many whitening cream you buy, your knuckles will still be looking dark. It will not work. So what do I do, you may ask? Stop using all the whitening products you have in your routine. Stop using them entirely. If you consistently use only moisturizer and oil, your body will blend. Then if you now want to lighten it up, you can now do it in a more informed way. Please do not use whitening products if you already have skin issues. And for those of you that want a follow-up, you want to do these things, you want to buy this product, but you need a follow-up, you need a guidance, you need someone that will direct you. I can follow you up if you're buying this product from me. I'm going to follow you up in your routines to make sure you get that your dream skin. All you have to do, I have a link in the description box that will bring you directly to me on WhatsApp. Just click the link, it will bring you directly to me. You buy this product from me, I'm going to follow you up to make sure you achieve that your dream skin. Achieving a perfect, beautiful, uniform skin is very possible, but you need to be informed. You need to do it the right way. And your skin is in your hands to put it right. So don't wait for anybody to come and do it for you. You have to do it yourself. All we have to do is to guide you, but it is your duty to take your skin game seriously. Please don't forget to like this video if you find it useful. Don't forget to share it so that other people will also benefit from it. And if you're yet to subscribe to this particular channel, hit the subscription button, turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified once I post a new video. I love you and you have a beautiful day. Bye.